It came as a surprise today when an anonymous whale sent 2.8 trillion Shiba Inu tokens to a wallet that nobody knows about. Something far more important, nevertheless, must be known to you. Rumor has it that the Bitcoin community is understandably scared after a major incident today. This problem made it seem like everything went to zero, and in an instant, billions of dollars disappeared. What is the significance of this to BlackRock? So what exactly is it saying? Tell me what else is going on. Is the Shiba Inu breed doomed? Give me a moment to explain yourself. Important notice, the world of Shiba Inu has witnessed some surprising events today. Uncertainty surrounds the wallet that sent the staggering 2.8 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. Famous cryptocurrency tracking service Whale Alert quickly recognized this massive shift and highlighted it for public inspection. This transaction involved the transfer of 2.88 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from an unnamed wallet to an anonymous Turkish exchange. Yesterday, this was captured and was worth an incredible $65 million. Naturally, the Shiba Inu community paid attention to this type of movement. Naturally, Shiba Inu enthusiasts felt the need to share their thoughts on the matter. Many investors were curious in the deal, its participants, and most intriguingly, the reason behind the transfer of so many Shiba Inus. If you're worried that a crypto whale is preparing for a price boom, you might want to consider keeping your Shiba Inu tokens in a private wallet instead of on an exchange. The problem is that despite this massive change, the price of Shiba Inu tokens doesn't seem to be going up very much. Since it has been declining instead of rising, investors are perplexed. Analysts have reported that a major roadblock was encountered during Shiba Inu's most recent effort at rehabilitation. A critical level was too high for the price to break through. The plight of Shiba Inu is brought to light by this, which is a significant development. Despite the enthusiasm surrounding big deals like the one we just saw, the market still doesn't seem convinced. As they navigate a market where excitement isn't enough to boost pricing, Shiba Inu aficionados have plenty of time to think. You might be asking why the price of Shiba Inu keeps going down. Everyone has that one question. Price increases are expected in response to such significant changes, isn't that right? Trouble is, it's not easy at all. Bitcoin is the foundational cryptocurrency and everything else is secondary. Like clockwork, the rest of the market felt Bitcoin's sneeze today. When Bitcoin had a precipitous decline previously, it was not a happy time. The price of Bitcoin dropped precipitously in just a few hours, going from around $99,000 to under $96,000 because of how quickly and drastically it fell, the whole Bitcoin market was shaken. The shocking drop in Bitcoin's value from slightly under $100,000 to around $95,000 was summed up by one Twitter user in a post. Chaos reigned in the cryptocurrency world, climbing at a dizzying rate, setting new records almost daily. Until today, when the tremendous fall brought uncertainty, everyone was ecstatic about it. At that point, what exactly happened? The whole fiasco was actually caused by a single issue. An anomaly in the market did, in fact, throw everything off. It seems like Bitcoin's price stability took a hit due to a quick reaction to bad news. Reports indicated that when Bitcoin dominance figures were shown in trading views, they were false. The market share of Bitcoin dropped to zero because of the error, which is completely unrealistic. But in any case, damage had been done. Fear caused the market to react. In the relatively calm trading period leading up to Christmas, the price of Bitcoin dropped over 4% to around $90,000. People couldn't stop talking about the strange thing on social media. According to trader Satoshi Flipper, people panic dumped due to a trading view error involving Bitcoin's supremacy. It appears insane that people are dumping trading view these days. The results were less than desirable. By the end of the fourth hour, tracking websites like CoinLast reported that about $33 million worth of long Bitcoin holdings had been liquidated. The influence of Bitcoin grew as it reached new frontiers. There has been a steady escalation of a problem that traders have been debating recently. A possible cryptocurrency rally or alt season may be on the horizon, since dominance hit 61.5% just last month. Altcoins like Shiba Inu, according to our calculations, should have seen a jump in value. When Bitcoin supremacy wanes, altcoins usually have an opportunity to shine. On the other hand, Shiba Inu stays put. Isn't it strange? What is really going on here is a mystery to everyone. Some are going so far as to wonder if the market is being manipulated. A Twitter user made the observation that Bitcoin's dominance on TradingView has collapsed to zero, leading one to wonder whether this wasn't just a bug. This drop appears to have been temporary, as dominance is back up to 58.97%. Manipulation of prices or an error? Do you have any opinions? The unusualness of the situation was highlighted in the tweet. Was chaos caused by someone pressing buttons behind the scenes of the market? Or was it really an accident? In light of Shiba Inu's inactivity, the timing of this anomaly appears too strange to be ignored. If it was only a bug, why didn't cryptocurrencies boom like they always do? If manipulation is the goal, then why is it being pursued? It doesn't matter how you respond, it's plainly not your average market day. Whatever the situation may be, this whole thing had a devastating effect on retail and institutional traders alike. The massive domino effect was so damaging that it affected even the big dogs. Reportedly, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF lost a mind-boggling $1.52 billion in the span of 4 days. Considering BlackRock's monstrous size, that is quite an impressive move. On Christmas Eve, the Bitcoin ETF market had its biggest ever single-day outflow of $188.7 million, leading to major disruptions. For all the wrong reasons, BlackRock's Bitcoin Trust ETF made headlines. The previous record was set just a few days ago, so that is more impressive. There has been a sea change in the crypto industry. All this volatility, from the Bitcoin crash to the withdrawals of ETFs to the strange price behavior of Shiba Inu, has the Shiba Inu community on edge. Assume for a second that the market as a whole reacts to these bumps and shifts and the price of Shiba Inu does not budge. Unfortunately, the magnitude of this price reduction might not be what it seems. A Twitter analyst has speculated that Shiba Inu may have a truly transformative 3 months ahead. Altcoins and Shiba Inu in particular will see a time of consistent and spectacular price increases, claims the researcher. The chance to see the huge rallies and miraculous returns that first brought Shiba Inu's fame could be the much-needed turnaround if their prediction is true. So Shiba Inu owners can be in for a fantastic time, despite the fact that the present price movement appears to be a setback. Being patient and thinking about the bigger picture are the two most important things you can do. In the next few months, we may witness the type of excitement that could render today's plunge as a fleeting trend. It seems out the analysts actually went above and beyond. They took a look at the technical analysis and found something interesting in another tweet. According to their charts, a solid buying signal for alternative cryptocurrencies is on the horizon. The formation is sought after by traders who anticipate a substantial upward trend. If this issue is the highly probable that things will improve soon. This means that Shiba Inu are in for a very good future. This might actually be the calm before the storm rolls in. The Shiba Inu community may be in for some major surprises, if we may use that word. Keeping the community interested and involved is a top priority for the development team and Satoshi Kusama. The owners of Shiba Inu are ecstatic about the hints they've been dropping about some possible future endeavors. Just recently, Kusama dropped hints about some major projects in the works. He went on to say that the Shiba Inu community would need a much more comprehensive checklist than what we have now. His comments have garnered a lot of interest since they hint at future partnerships, ideas, and projects that might take Shiba Inu to the next level. It is possible that some of these projects might be ready for public release by 2025. Hence, despite the fact that the price is presently falling, it seems like the future is going to be bright and exciting. It seems like the development team is working on some lofty targets, therefore we should be optimistic now. What are your thoughts on this matter? Post a remark down below. For further information, please select one of the videos that is shown on the screen. So, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, please turn on the channel's notification bell. Don't risk losing money because you didn't catch a critical Shiba Inu update. In addition, we kindly request that you share this video with as many individuals